A simple text editor is all you need to learn HTML. Web pages can be created and modified by using the professional HTML editors. However, for learning HTML, I recommend a simple text editor like Notepad. I believe that using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. Now, follow the steps to create your very first own web page. Step 1. Open Notepad. Step 2. Write some HTML code. Step 3. Save the HTML page. And here is a tip for you. You can use .htm or .html as file extension. There is no difference. It is up to you. Step 4. View your HTML page in a web browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite web browser.